Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI and I love to crochet. I want to talk to you about this yarn I have here, which is the Simply Soft from Caron.
So for me, when I crochet, two things are really important. I want it to be an easy yarn to work with, and I want it to be very soft, and that is exactly what this yarn is. It works easily, it glides easily, and the color is beautiful, but most importantly, it's very, very soft.
It is a beautiful, brilliant purple, and it glides through my crochet hook really easily. I find it easy to work with and extremely soft. So if you're making a garment, a scarf, or a blanket, even a baby blanket, this is a beautiful yarn to use. Again, very, very soft, easy to work with, and the purple is just brilliant. I could not be happier with this yarn, and that is my point of view.